learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Leo, I am hungry, but I don't care. I just want to have Leo teach us another signature Hakka dish on ICRT. How's that, okay?
哦，好，大家一起餓。
对，请今天介绍一道客家的美食好吗？
好的，我就介绍我最喜欢吃的东西好了。
Really 最喜欢的哦，是什么？
雕菜耶。
雕菜耶。我好像有听过这个东西耶，应该是菜类。It sounds like a veggie, but I'm not too sure what kind of veggie this is. What is it?
它就是茄子。我要介绍客家茄子煲。
茄子 Leo，你知道吗？这也是我最喜欢的蔬菜之一。
真的？
对 My favorite veggie. I don't know why. I love eggplants. And today Leo's going to teach us to cook a Hakka eggplant dish. 怎么去准备？然后它有什么特色？
好，那我们就要准备雕菜耶嘛，然后再来要准备蒜头酸条。
酸条 Okay, so you got to prepare, of course, the eggplant and some garlic. 酸条。
然后再来准备辣椒。
辣椒 Oh, of course. A little spiciness to it. So some hot chili peppers.
再来呢，有一样非常非常重要的哦。
OK
这客家菜里面一定要用到的就是七层塔。
七层塔，这又是什么东西？也是料理需要用的东西吗？
是的，是的，而且这个在那个意大利料里面非常非常的重要
啊！我知道，basil 九层塔。对，可是你刚刚讲七层塔，听起来不像九啊。
但我们客家人就是讲七层啊。
Oh, is that right? Okay, so the Chinese basil, all right, in Mandarin is known as the 9-layer vegetable, okay? But in Hakka, it's actually just the 7-layer vegetable. 少了2层了，怎么办？
对，2层我吃掉了。
但是味道你吃掉了，可是味道还是一模一样。
是的，
所以这是一个热炒的料理。
对，就先把那个茄子我们切好之后呢，先用油过油，油炸过之后呢，然后再来拿来炒。如果怕油的呢，你可以先过一下水。
Oh, okay. So there's actually a 2-step process right here. You actually cut up the eggplants and then you fry it for a little while. And then you put all the other ingredients in and stir fry everything all together. Okay.
然后最后再加上那个切前叉。
切前叉就是 the basil comes at the end. 那是一个有点爆香的感觉，对不对？All right. So again, this is the Hakka eggplant dish. And in Hakka, it's called
Hakka 雕菜耶。
Hakka 雕菜耶。Okay, that's the Hakka eggplant. And I'm really, really hungry now. If I don't eat this, I'm gonna faint. 我们现在赶快去煮这道菜吧。
好。
And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.